This is our juice box challenge. We are going to drink these juice boxes as fast as we can and see who, and see who gets to finish first. And go.
John, I can hear you gulping. Okay, continue. Okay, 1, 2.
Done!
Damn it, I still have some left.
Oh, never mind.
Damn! Mine's on I win. I win.
Whatever.
Check that shit.
Whatever.
Oh!